All right, we're heading into the Baldy Cypress Nature Center. Bald Cypress Nature Center.
I want to see them. Doggies are the best. Holy fat caterpillar.
All right, we're at Trap Pond State Park.
Welcome to Cypress Tree Forest. Yeah. For more adventures, more adventures, and a robot voice. Explore more adventures. Explore more adventures.